Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable the SMB1 protocol on your Windows 11 computer guys. So there are various reasons why you would want to enable it just in terms of legacy applications and purposes, but generally speaking it's not a very safe protocol guys to use just due to its authentication integrity and encryption abilities. So generally you don't really want to be using it unless you have to, but in certain situation you may need to enable it or at least just test it out. Certain old hardware and various other instances where you may need to temporarily turn it on. I show you guys in this video how to turn on or off. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type Windows features. Turn Windows features on or off. Open it. And scroll down guys. It will search for SMB 1.1 CIFS file sharing support. Just need to expand it and select all of these for enabling. You just need to enable this. You just need to select all these tabs and click OK. For disabling it, you just need to uncheck the box guys and click OK. That will be searching for required files. It will be using your internet and download it guys. Applying changes. Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installing the required changes. Click restart now, and that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.